Hey guys, so real quick. Alright, so this was my video and the thing wouldn't let me upload it, so I'm re-downloading it. I'm so sorry. I had to put out the second part for the first part. This took me so long. I'm really sorry about the resolution, you guys. I can't do anything about it. I really hope you guys enjoy it. It's 30 minutes. I'm sorry. Today's not my day. I've been doing like 4 hours of trying to get it to work, and then yeah, my saves, all that fun stuff. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, alright, enjoy the video. I can't click on anything else. Okay, yeah, well, I'll just watch with you guys. It'll be remember it for me. And I might have lost my third part, all of that footage, which is kind of a bummer because I actually did catch the glitch Pokemon. Yes, so more on that. Yeah. Hey guys, Nathan here. So I'm just doing a video on an easy glitches that aren't game breaking but really help you out for Pokemon Red. It's gonna be a quick series. But each episode I'm gonna try to include some glitches. Quick, he said.
Until there's no more glitches, and then so yeah. But if you want to get the emulator here, I can give you guys a tutorial if you want in the comments. But yeah. So without further ado, yeah, let's do it. So, I'm going to open up my emulator. Mute it. Sorry, it's kind of loud, so I'm just going to mute it. Alright. So, new game. So if you haven't played before, it's going to be a really good walkthrough. I'm not going to skip to places. Now this one does. You can fast forward in time, as you can see, because of the emulator. So that's kind of nice. So if you guys want to see how to download this emulator, I can do a tutorial video on that. But yeah. So I'm just going to go quickly. Name Ash. Gary. Okay, so first, most of you guys probably knew this, but there's a neat little trick that if you just walk over to your PC, now this isn't a glitch, it's just a nice trick to get a potion off the bat. And just draw a potion. It's pretty nice. Alright, and then as you can see, I can run super speed. In my other playthrough, if I'm doing right, if you guys want to see that, you can just leave a comment. But I keep going super speed, which is really fun, because I can just leave my Pokemon in the daycare, and just running a little bit, I'll get a lot of levels up. So yeah, just running outside of it for 30 seconds, I already had 2 levels on my Lapras. Oh, how did I get my Lapras? The glitches, of course.
Quick reminder, you guys, I wouldn't blame you if you this is me, not the recording. I would not blame you if you skipped the first 2 episodes, because no glitches actually happened. I really tried. But the first glitch is just so hard to set up. I know I said easy. I'm sorry. I just want to give you guys some glitches early on, and I should have just cut my losses and just tried to speedrun. But yes, at the 3rd episode, I show you the hard glitch. But in these 2, I explain it very well. In theory, it's very easy glitch. But to pull it off, whoo, the luck has to be. It's not timing. You just gotta have luck. But yes, so yes. But the next one, I promise, you don't need luck. You need super little timing. There's just such an easy way to do it. So yeah, I'm really sorry. I hope you guys enjoy not my day.
And I'm also going to be getting a Mew, but don't be scared. It's very easy. Alright, Gary. Oh, and if you guys want me to read the stuff out loud, I definitely can. Just ask. And if you feel like I'm going too slow, just speed up the video. Or just skip ahead. Or do both. Here are 3 Pokemon here. Ha ha ha. They're inside the Pokeballs. When I was young, I was a serious Pokemon trainer. In my old age, I only have 3 left. Have 3, yeah. Okay, have one, choose. Eerie. What about so you can have one too. So yeah, so we're gonna check. I'm gonna pick Charmander just because it's very relevant. It's gonna help with the glitch. I mean, if you want me to redo the playthrough after, I can pick the other ones. But and I'm actually gonna have to ask you guys on one of the things because it's very important. I really would like you guys' help. Do you guys want me to get level 100 Pokemon that I have to teach TMs to, you know, get them to actually have stuff, or do you want me to get level, or do you want me to get like level 1 Pokemon, or sorry, 7, and level them all the way up to where they can keep learning moves? Now, one of these Pokemon that we're going to be getting is a serious sweeper. It's very good. No lie, no lie. Okay, so I'm just going to scratch this boy. The video ends when I lose the rival battle. That's all I'm saying. Ooh, let's go. I got a crit. It's a crit. Oh, what luck. But we go first. Alright. Alright, this is... I'm probably gonna get the win. Okay, come on. Ooh, let's go. I've had better wins than that. Yay. Okay, unbelievable. I picked the wrong Pokemon. Alright. So yeah, and you might want to skip to like episode 3 or something. Because again, it's going to be a while to get to the glitches, but once, like...
Hey, I can tell the future. Am I not right? Okay, I'll be quiet and I'll let my past self talk.
Not very long. You only have to get where, you know, where there's Abras? In front of Mount Moon, which isn't very far. Alright, let me just...
Which that's going to probably be episode 4 or 5, depending on if I try and reset the whole glitch up for you, again for you guys, to test out 2 more scenarios. Honestly, if you guys really wanted to, I could just have... I'm going to try for you guys, because I might have to almost start the playthrough from scratch if I try to do that. But know what? Whatever you guys want. If you guys leave it in the comments, you got it. Alright? So yeah, hopefully I can upload the first video before everybody starts watching the second. But yeah. Alright, bye. Yeah, you can continue listening. There's 30 more minutes, so I'm sorry. I want to keep short 11-minute videos.
Start getting some Pokemon real quick. I'll leave a timestamp in the description to skip if you just don't want to watch me, you know.
I might have to do that a different day. This is probably like the last time. Just because, you know, I'm just so pooped out.
Level up. Oh, and it gives me full health. That's nice. I just, you know, need the levels just so I don't instantly die. I'd like this to be rather quick. So yeah, I'm sorry, I'm kind of new to YouTube and the recording software I'm using isn't very good, so be warned if it's kind of like hard to, I can't pause it. It won't let me pause. It's either end the video or yeah, and I mean, yeah. So I'm just gonna be doing this. I'm holding the button because if you look in the left, so I can just do that, and yeah, I just fainted, but again, I can just go out. Yeah, if you want this software, I can definitely show you guys. It's free. It's really cool. So when I get Ember, I'll start, because that will just help me clear out Viridian Forest. Hold up. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, I remember. Yes. Oh, wait, did I get Ember? Alright, I got Ember, so I'm just going to wait till I die, and then it'll heal me up. Thank you so much if you're watching this, by the way. I mean, it really means a lot. And when I saw I got 8 views yesterday, I was like, Let's go! Almost dead. Alright, 1 health left. Whoa. I'm tanking. Alright. Alright, now. Okay, give me a potion. So yeah, if you're, if this is like your first time, or you would really like to know how to do glitches, just, do what I'm doing, but be warned, take your time here, because it's kind of, I think there's no way back after you've done it until you, like, get fly and surf, but I could be wrong. Alright. So there's the Pokemon shelter, which means... Oh, and yeah, at the end of the series, you might have heard about it, but the old man glitch, I'll be showing you guys how to do that. Alright, and now I'm going to use a quick trick. Oh, well, actually I can't because I healed up the Pokemon Center, but I was just going to let the Pokemon kill me quickly. So, yeah, but it's fine. I'm already leveled up enough that I don't need to do any more battle. And the team that I'll be getting you guys is going to be a team that you don't have to grind and over level, like under leveled. They can still take out a whole team without taking any damage or barely any damage. So it's going to be a nice team. Yeah, I mean, I kind of can't edit, but so yeah, yeah, this software, again, not very good, but yeah, I'm trying my best. Just want to put out good content for you guys. I'm 8 subscribers. My videos aren't going to get monetized. Right? So I'm just going down, and then I'm going to go to his sister's house. Give me that map, please. Thank you. Okay, let's see. Too bad it doesn't let you walk with, like, the map. But the good news is, pause for a second. Listen, so, whoops, it's taking a second to reload. But oh, wow, such luck. Basically, we're right at Pallet Town, and so we're gonna go up Route 1 to Viridian City, and then Viridian Forest, and then right here, where my mouse is, that's where the glitch is going to be. You can do a glitch right there. It's a very tricky glitch, so I'll probably go out over that, after, but I'm trying to remember how to do the glitch, but it's a very tricky one. But yeah, so, I mean, my goal right here, I mean, other people have done stuff like this, but my goal is to, like, really just, like, show you how to do it the best possible way. So if you already are experienced, you might want to watch somebody's, like, Psycho's tutorial. He's really good. That's actually how I got my love for doing glitches, and trying to figure them out. But he's really good, but yeah. But if you really want, like, a detailed guide, like, just to show you everything you need to do, if you're, like, playing along with this, that's great. Yeah. So, over here, there's a rival battle over there. Oh, we can buy Pokeballs? Alright, we can buy Pokeballs, and that's actually going to come in really handy. I should actually probably do that right now, because you're going to need a lot of Pokeballs, and you're going to need a weak Pokemon. Like, for one of the Pokemon, I had a Weedle.
Just so you know, guys, I really hope I can actually get out episode 3, because I had episode 3 out, and the footage might have got deleted, because I'm using bad software. Good news is, though, there's a chance it may not be deleted. So we'll see, but that one was really good. That one was, like, really good.